Ever faced an equation that looks like a tangled mess of fractions? Today we're going to demystify how to solve linear equations with fractions, turning them into simple, solvable expressions. By the end, you'll master the key steps to clear those fractions and find your solution, or discover if a solution even exists. First, let's look at our equation. Notice the fractions? Our goal is to get rid of them. The secret weapon? The lowest common denominator, or LCD. Think of it as the smallest common ground for all the denominators. For 2 and 4, that's 4. Now, we multiply every single term in our equation by this LCD. This is crucial. It clears all the fractions. Let's see how each term transforms. The first term, x over 2, becomes 4 times x over 2, which simplifies to 2x. The second term, 3x over 4, becomes 4 times 3x over 4, which simplifies to just 3x. And the right side, 5 over 2, becomes 4 times 5 over 2, which simplifies to 10. So our messy equation transforms into a much cleaner, fraction-free form. 2x plus 3x equals 10. Now we just use our standard algebra steps, combine the like terms on the left side. And then, divide both sides by 5 to isolate x. And there you have it, x equals 2. But what if the variable terms cancel out? Consider an equation like this. If we multiply by the LCD 2, we get 2 times x over 2 plus 2 times x over 2 equals 2 times 3. This simplifies to x plus x equals 6, which is 2x equals 6. If we then subtract 6 from both sides, we get 2x minus 6 equals 0. Now, if we try to isolate x by adding 6 to both sides and then dividing by x, we get x equals 6 over x. This is where we must be careful. If we multiply both sides by x, we get x squared equals 6. This equation has no real solution, as x squared cannot equal 6 for any real number x. In summary, when solving linear equations with fractions, always find the lowest common denominator and multiply every term by it to clear the fractions. Then, use standard algebra steps to solve for the variable. Be cautious of equations where the variable terms cancel out, as they may have no real solution.